They're so nice, these fights. But anyways, I don't want to be talking a lot about politics or the politics of the industry. So since it's the month of love, I've took it upon myself to make to make it look like this. Okay, let me try something. It's the month of love, and I'm trying to lay out a certain perspective of how other people view or get to celebrate Valentine's Day. Because you know what? When I was a kid, when I grew up, I never saw my mama or my daddy giving each other some flowers or some gifts where like they're saying Happy Valentine's Day, my love. Hey, I love you. Have a nice day at work. Da, 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 da. I've never seen anything like that. But it only started to appearing in my mind when I was later in high school, when I started to see people walking around with red flowers, and I asked myself, what's going on, people? And they'd be like, it's Valentine. I'm like, wait, what is Valentine? They'd be like, Valentine is a day where you gotta buy your special somebody a gift or give them flowers, chocolates, a lot of that, a lot of those. So, but I was like, I don't have a girlfriend, so who am I gonna give those gifts to? I thought about it, but then I never bought anybody a gift for Valentine's Day. Back in the days, I'm not talking about the now. I'm still trying to lay out the foundation of how other people get to see Valentine's Day, how they get to perceive it. Because I'm from the hood, right? I'm from the township. And when I'm from the township, I'm from a place where when you wake up in the morning, it's whether it's 5 a.m. or it's 6 in the morning, people already have started drinking, right? If that person probably they don't have a job whatsoever, they're just gonna drink the whole day or be smoking weed, all those stuff, just to make the day go by. You know what I mean? So, and then when somebody is probably working, in most cases, they gotta wake up early in the morning. They have to go catch a taxi, and now they have to wait on long queues, and now they have to take a 45 minutes plus drive to work. And when they get to work, now they are dealing with somebody who has never dealt with anything like that. And then they be like, hey Tommy, did you finish what I gave you? They're like, nigga, can you really try to understand where I'm from? Do you know that I wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning, but only to clock at 8 a.m.? Do you see how sick this is? Meanwhile, when you're talking about other people who are living in the suburbs, stuff like that, they probably wake up 30 minutes before they go to work, and then they just take like a 10 minutes drive, and then they are at work. Or in most cases, they don't have to deal with catching a taxi, stuff like that. So now when you're talking about Valentine, imagine in the hood. Now I'm giving you a certain scenario. Imagine you are in the hood, right? You got flowers with you to give your girlfriend, and everybody's looking. They be like, what the fuck? What is this nigga trying to do? What is this nigga trying to prove, to be precise? Because you should have just gave us that money so that we can drink it, consume it, just like we do. I mean, I don't know. I don't know if whether I'm talking about Valentine's Day as a whole, or the difference between living in the suburbs and living in the hood. Because and this thing it changes, it goes back to what I was saying about the Kendrick performance at the Super Bowl. Because this nigga brought the whole crowd to the stage, right? And somehow it looks like, have you ever been in a situation where uh, you just got employed and your friends are not working, and you're still trying to make your friend get a job, and then you end up bringing them to your work, and then next thing they fuck shit up? But in terms of the Super Bowl, it didn't happen like that. What I'm trying to say is, in the hood, there are some shit that doesn't work, and there are some shit that really works. Because Now, when we're talking about Valentine's Day is things of the white people. Only white people do those stuff like Happy Valentine's Day, my love, giving each other like breakfast in bed, all those type of bullshit. But in terms of a black person, Valentine's Day, I mean, it might happen only if you got your bonus at work. And if you're not working, I mean, we're gonna have to wait until you get where you start working, and then now you have to participate in the Valentine's Day thing. Because I'm not speaking ill of Valentine's Day because maybe I'm not seeing anybody recently or currently, but I just want to say, man, I'm in a happy place. I'm in a place where now I don't. Nobody need to stress me out and be like, "Oh, did you forgot to do this? Oh, you didn't say good night. You didn't say happy whatever." I'm like, chill out, chill out. You know I love you. So why are you busy bitching about me not saying happy Valentine's Day? Because, and as women like to act like they're not expecting anything, but when that day comes, they be being like, "So, did you forget that it's Valentine's Day? So, what are we doing today?" I'm like, "Hold on, bitch. You just acted like you don't know what the fuck's going on today. Now that your friends are giving you pressure, you be like, okay, so what do you have? What you got for me?" I'm like, "Bitch, I got this nut for your burgers. So lay down. Let me bang you up." So, but anyways, why is it weird for women to buy their man a gift on Valentine's Day? Meanwhile, a guy can just do it just like that on the spot. I mean, sometimes I be doing this stuff because I saw one of my friends doing it. I'm like, nah, man, that nigga ain't gonna be better than me. Let me try it out. You know what I mean? And I really did try it out, and it really did work. So, but hey, why is it when it's Valentine's Day, you bitches start acting like, "Oh, I didn't know. Oh my God, it's so cute." I mean, you already know what your guy got you last year. The least you can do is predict that, okay, last year he bought me a lingerie. Well, maybe today, this year he might buy me like this and that. Even if he doesn't, how about I buy him something? Not even you don't even need to buy something. You just gotta show somebody that you love them, you appreciate them, and maybe you cook them a proper warm meal, just like the Roadhouse did to me. They gave me some fries and they gave me a can of beer. But I ain't gonna drink it because I'm not drinking. These are just my sponsors. You gotta be grateful for your sponsors. Sometimes, you know. So I don't know. I really don't want to talk about Valentine because I'm fucking fed up with this fucking thing. I'm fucking pissed. Valentine's Day. I mean, you know I love you. So what's the point? Why are we bitching around about da 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 da? Anyways, I want to talk about something I'm doing right now with my team.
Trejo Tebogo from Turf Loop, but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, LungTrey Studio, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung